Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing files so exports are predictable. You should open Blender and import your basehead OBJ, making sure unit scale and object origin match Imvu expectations. Once done, apply transforms and clean normals. This prevents flipped faces and sizing errors. Make a textures folder and save your UV layout PNG. Then export a test OBJ with only the head mesh selected, using consistent naming. This sets you up for rigging and material steps without wasted rework. Next, you refine UVs and attach the mesh to a compatible Imvu skeleton. You should clean the topology, then unwrap and pack UV islands to maximize texture usage. That improves texture detail. After UVs, transfer or create vertex groups matching the Imvu base avatar and weight paint key areas like jaw and neck so expressions deform properly. Once weights look good in pose tests, bake normal and ambient occlusion maps to preserve surface detail and export textures at 1024 or finally export your mesh and bring it into Imvu Create environment for packaging. When exporting, apply modifiers and choose the correct axis orientation. Include tangents and binormals if using normal maps. Once imported, assign textures and material slots, adjust collision bounds, and configure LOD so the head performs well at distance. Test with avatar animations, facial morphs, and mouth sync. If you see clipping, wrong deformation, or texture seams, adjust weights or UVs in Blender and re-export. That single fix resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.